Namaste and welcome friends. Welcome to the astrology classes of Astrology. Today's lesson is how to find the every happening with timing of event in life, and also how to find the best timing in life with the help of D9 chart. Now I will go to find the every happenings with timing of events and the best timing in life with the help of D9 chart and with the help of a practical chart. So please follow this video from first to last to learn the procedure to find the same. Please take the necessary screenshots for your practice and for your concrete grip. After watching this video several times, you have to follow this video several times for learning this technique in depth. After watching this video, please follow these techniques in your chart and in many charts as much as possible for you. After that, you will be astonished that how much accurate this technique is. So friends, I am entering this session. How to find good timings and every timings in life with the help of D9. This is the charts of one of my clients. This is the D1 chart and this is the D9 chart. In Vedic astrology, 9th and 5th houses are called the Lakshmi Sthanas, and ascendant 4th, 7th and 10th houses are called the Vishnu Sthanas. Among the Lakshmi Sthanas, 9th house and among the Vishnu Sthanas, ascendant and 10th are the main houses or the most important houses. 9th house also called the house for luck or fortune. When any benefic planet connects the 9th house with one of the Vishnu Sthanas or 11th house, then it brings fortune. And when any spiritual planet connects 9th house with 5th and 8th both, then it brings spirituality. And when a malefic planet connects the 9th house with any of the Dushta Sthanas, then it brings destroy. 6th, 8th and 12th are called the Dushta Sthanas. In this way, we can predict the timings for good fortune and misfortune also. Just consider the Navamsha chart for the same. In above chart, Jupiter, which is Vargattama, retro, in the star of Ketu, and D1 ascendant lord is the 5th and 8th owner, seated in 9th. Please follow my cursor. In D1 chart, Jupiter is the ascendant and 10th house owner. In D1, Jupiter seated in Aries, and in D9, Jupiter seated in Aries also. So this is Vargattama, and Jupiter is retro. We know that retro planet is most powerful because it is closer to the Earth, and Jupiter seated in the star of Ketu. So Jupiter plus Ketu plus 5th plus 8th plus 9th makes the native very spiritual, especially in Jupiter Dasha. In Mars Jupiter, this native got his Sadguru. Ketu, which is a star lord of Jupiter, seated in 6th house, which is Capricorn. Please consider the D9 chart, which is Capricorn, lower back or lumbar region. So Jupiter plus Ketu plus 6 plus Capricorn gives the disease in lumbar region, especially in DBA of Jupiter Ketu. So from here we got that Jupiter is Vargatama because it is seated in the same sign in D1 and D9 also. Vargatama planet is most auspicious planet. Jupiter is retro, so it is very powerful. Jupiter is ascendant lord in D1. In D9, Jupiter is the 5th and 8th owner seated in 9th. So Jupiter makes this native very spiritual, and Jupiter is seated in the star of Ketu. Ketu is in 6th house in D9 and in Capricorn. So Ketu will give the disease related to the body part which is identical to Capricorn, that is lumbar region. 9th lord Mars is in the star of Moon. Moon is 12th owner seated in 4th. What is 4th? 4th is 12 from 5th. So it destroys the good significations of 5th house. So Mars plus Moon plus 9th plus 12 plus 4 gives destroy, unhappiness, disputes in child, especially in DBA of Mars Moon. In Mars Moon, this native attempt suicide. In Rahu Mars Moon, that was a horrible time for this native. Please follow my cursor. In D9 chart, 9th Lord Mars is in the star of Moon. The table for star lords is not included here, but the 9th Lord Mars is in the star of Moon. 9th Lord Mars, star of Moon. Moon is the 12th owner, seated in 4th, 12 from 5th. So Mars plus Moon plus 9 plus 12 plus 4 gives destroy, unhappiness, dispute in first child, or related to many things. In the period Rahu Mars Moon, because in D9 Rahu is in 12th house also, Rahu Mars Moon, that was a really horrible time for this native, and Mars Moon, this native attempt suicide. Any planet does not give only benefic or only malefic results. The results given by any planet is a combination of good and bad thing also. Previously we saw that Mars will give the bad happenings, but Mars will give the good happenings also. How is this? Please follow my cursor. 9th Lord Mars is in 10th house. Please consider only D9. And in the Navamsha of Venus, 3rd and 10th Lord Venus is in 11th and retro also. So the Venus is very powerful. So Mars plus Venus plus 10th plus 11th will give professional success and luck. In Mars Venus, this native entered his first profession. In Rahu Venus, this native got his own house and got married also. And last of all, how to find the best timing? Look at the D1, look at the D1 and D9 and D10. This is the D10 chart carefully. In D9, 7th Lord Saturn. In D9, please follow my cursor. 7th Lord Saturn is in ascendant and aspecting the 10th house. So Saturn signifies 3 houses out of 4 houses of Vishnu's sthanas. What is Vishnu's sthanas? I told it earlier. Ascendant, 4th, 7th and 10th. These houses are called the Vishnu sthanas. We know that occupant is more powerful than owner. D1, D10, ascendant Lord. D1, please follow my cursor. D1, ascendant Lord and D10, ascendant Lord. Both are Jupiter. And D1, 10th Lord. D1, 10th Lord, that is also Jupiter, is in 9th house. In D9 and in D1 and in D9 and in D10 Jupiter is in Aries. So Vargatama, the highest degree of Vargatama. So Jupiter is very auspicious for 9th house. Jupiter and Saturn is in a perfect trine within 2.2 degree in D9. Please follow my cursor. In D9, Jupiter is in Aries. Please follow my cursor. 7 degree and 57 minutes in Aries. Saturn is in Leo in D9. The degree is 10 degree and 8 minutes. So Saturn and Jupiter is in a perfect trine within 2.2 degree in D9. So the DBA of Jupiter Saturn will give jointly the auspicious significations of ascendant plus 7th plus 9th plus 10th and also give the lumbar region pain because of Saturn is also the owner of 6th, which is Capricorn. In D9, please follow my cursor. Jupiter Saturn is in a perfect trine and Saturn is the owner of 6th house, and in 6th house there is Ketu. 6th house is Capricorn. Capricorn represents the body part of lumbar region or lower back. So in Jupiter Saturn there is a good happening that the native will get the professional success and luck and fortune, and simultaneously he will also get the lower back pain. Previously I told that any planet can't give only benefic result or only malefic result. The results given by any planet is a combination of benefic and malefic combinations. So this is the benefic gift by the combination of Jupiter Saturn, that the native will get professional success, fortune, etc., etc. And this is the malefic, you can say that gift or malefic result by the combination of Jupiter Saturn, that the native will get the lower back pain or the disease in the region of lumbar sector. So friends, this is the great technique to get the accurate timing and the details of every happenings in life with the help of D9. If you watch this video once, that you can't get these techniques. For a concrete grip, you have to watch this video from first to last several times and then apply it to your chart and to many charts as much as possible for you, and then you will have the concrete grip of this technique, and this technique is really miraculous, and you will be astonished also to see the outcome of this technique. So friends, I will come day by day, episode after episode, with some of the great techniques, the creams chapter, the creams technique of Vedic and modern astrology also. So friends, goodbye and tata for today, and keep watching.